So in part 2 of our new fun commands, let's start. First of all, we have image command. It will give us an image, and if we want to close this by using command, we can do this. Here I want to show you. Here I am having figure. That's close is CLOSE, close all until I don't and press enter. It is here. You can see now I press enter. No, it's closed. Then clear command. Next we have command 15 FIFTWLEN, but and by using command 15 we have a sliding puzzle. By going into help, you can take help how to play this puzzle. Let's move on to next command. Then we have note command, KNOT, note. Here you can see we are having a note. We can generate code of this note. Generate code. So here I am having the code of this note. So no. And then by using close all, and then CLC clear all will clear. Clear will clear my workspace variables. Then CLC will clear my command. Next command we are having is spy, spy, and so this gives us an image of spy. Next command is xpbombs, xpbombs. So here it is. Here we are having another game. You can see we can play this game. So it is a type of game just for fun activity. Then we have xpsquad, xpsquad, UUAT. We can change the roundness of this, and then let's change its vertical roundness, and let's see what this becomes. So you can see here what it has changed into. You can change its shape, roundness, by using roundness. Then we have next command, images and video. IMAGES and ANDVIDEO, images and video. So it will give us a video by concatenating images that are available in MATLAB. So this was images and video command. Clear CLC. Then we are having command earthmap, EARTH, and map. Yes, I think there is a typo error. So here you can see I am having earthmap, and you can see rotate this also. Then we are using clear, then CLC. Next command we have cruller, CRULLER, cruller. So here we are having a cruller. We can also generate its code from here, but I'm not getting into it at this time. Moving on to next command. Then we are having truss, TRUSS. Start. So here it is a bridge, and by changing its mode you can change its motion. and let's do this. So it is a truss. Then we clear our workspace, then clear command. Next we are having vibes command, VIBES vibes. So it will give us a MATLAB logo type vibe. We can faster it, slower it, and done. Then we are having CLC. Next we are having wrldtrv. So by using this command we can let's say I want to move from London to Moscow, and then fly. It will tell us the distance. So it is a useful command, word traveler. Then CLC. Moving on to next command, we have surf, MEMBRANE, surf membrane. By using, we are having this MATLAB logo type image here through this command. Moving on to the next command, we are having penny, PENNY, penny. So it will give us an image of penny. So next command is live, LIFE, start. So here we are having live. Stop this. Move on to next command. We have imageext. We have here some built-in MATLAB images, and we can change the color maps of these images, HSV, and then hot, then pink, then cool, next prism, next is random. So these are some built-in MATLAB images, and we can apply different color maps on these images. Grayscale, here we are having Parula, then we are having hot, HSV, and similar way prism. So these are some built-in MATLAB images. Here we are Earth. Let's check the HSV of Earth, prism, bone, and last gray lab. Also try this flag. Oh, it's a cool one. So next we have makevase, VASE. So here we can draw different images, drawings, etc., and calculate their distance. So it is a useful command. So this was all about Unreal and fun commands. There is another command that I will suggest you to run this on your PCs, xpsound. So run this. This is also a fun command. So all this for today.